This video will show how to capture annual hydrant maintenance using the Field Apps map. The first thing you will do is open Field Apps app on your iPad, and when prompted, enter your unit's username and password. Once signed into the app, you will now need to open the hydrant inspection map. Click on the hydrant inspection folder, and then click on hydrant inspections map. After the map loads, you now need to filter out your station and shifts hydrants. So how you do that is click the map layer button at the top right, click on the fire hydrants hamburger, and then filter out your station and shift. Then next, you'll click on the hydrant subzones hamburger and filter out your station and shift. After these two filtering options are completed, your map will now only show the hydrants and subzones for your station and shift. Once this is done, you will then zoom in to the area you are going to be performing annual hydrant maintenance and select the hydrant that you will be completing maintenance for. Once the hydrant record card is open, click on Fire Hydrant Inspections. And then click on Add to add a new hydrant inspection. The card that comes up is your fire hydrant inspection record. The default settings are for a hydrant that you're performing annual maintenance on and is in service with no repairs needed. At this point, if the hydrant is good, you've completed your annual maintenance, you can hit the submit button at the top right. If a maintenance is needed but the hydrant is in service, you can click the button that says, does the hydrant require maintenance, and change it to yes, and then under the drop-down menus, select the maintenance that is needed. After that's done, you can then hit submit. If you need to place the hydrant out of service, you would go back and change, is the hydrant in service, to no. And then does the hydrant require maintenance? You would select yes, and then select the reason why the maintenance is needed. For this example, we will go back and say that hydrant is in service with no maintenance needed. Once you have hit submit and the hydrant maintenance has been performed, the round circle will then become a gray square, as you will see next to number 801. Your annual maintenance for hydrant 801 has now been completed. You must do this for the remaining hydrants.